multiplication by using the sutra Ekanyunena purvena. Ekanyunena purvena. See, this is specific method of multiplication and is applicable only when multiplier contains 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. That means series of 9s. We are going to learn this multiplication in 3 types. Right? There are 3 types depending upon the number of 9s in multiplier. First type is multiplicand and multiplier contains same number of digits. Right? Multiplier should contain 9 only. Right? We can say that number of digits in multiplicand and number of 9s in multiplier should be equal. Second type is number of digits in multiplier are more. That means number of 9s in multiplier are more. Third type is number of digits in multiplicand are more. That means number of 9s in multiplier are less. So let us read algorithm of these 3 types and practice sufficient number of examples. First type is multiplicand and multiplier contain same number of digits. Let us first understand the algorithm, read algorithm. Step number 1. Answer is calculated in 2 parts, left part and right part. How to calculate left part? Ekanyunen, that means 1 less of multiplicand. You have to subtract 1 from multiplicand and write in the left part. So this is how we calculate left part. What is right part? Subtract the digits written in left part from 9. See friends, you have to start the process of multiplication from left side. That means you have to calculate left part first. What is left part? Ekanyunen of multiplicand is left part. And now while calculating right part, you have to subtract the digits in left part from 9 and write the answer in right part. So let us practice sufficient number of examples here. First example is 38 multiplied by 99. First example is 38 multiplied by 99. So the first step is answer is calculated in 2 parts, left part and right part. How to calculate left part? Ekanyunen of multiplicand. Ekanyunen of multiplicand means what is multiplicand? This 38 is multiplicand. Subtract 1 from multiplicand 38. See, 38 minus 1. This is slash. I have drawn this slash to separate left part and right part. Yes. Now, what is right part? Subtract the digits written in left part from 9. For that, we have to first solve left part completely. 38 minus 1 is 37. See, let me erase this and write 37 directly. 37. What is this left part? Ekanyunen of 38. 38 minus 1 is 37. 37 is left part. What is right part? Subtract 37. That means these 2 digits 3 and 7 from 9. Subtract these 2 digits from 9 and write the answer in right part. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. Yes. Left part is 37 and right part is 62. So we have calculated both of the parts, left part and right part. So let us remove slash and write these 2 parts. 37, remove slash and write 62. This is answer. Let me write answer here. 38 multiplied by 99 is 3762. 3762. Cleared? See, let me see. We calculated left part by subtracting 1 from 38. 38 minus 1, and we calculated right part by subtracting these two digits 3 and 7 from 9. 9 minus 3 and 9 minus 7. So next example, second example is 127 multiplied by 999. Multiplicand and multiplier contains 3 digits. Okay, so 127 multiplied by 999. Calculating answer in two parts starting from left side. What is left part? Subtract 1 from multiplicand, that means calculate Ekanyunen of multiplicand. So 127 minus 1 is 1, 2, 6. Correct? Draw a slash to separate left part and right part. Now what is next step? Subtract these 3 digits of left part from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. Let me tell you how did we calculate these two parts. See, we subtracted 1 from 127. 127, which is our multiplicand. We subtracted 1 from 127 and got left part. And how did we calculate right part? See, we subtracted these 3 digits of left part from 9. 9 minus 1, see 8. 9 minus 2, we wrote 7. And 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, we wrote 3 here. Now friends, we have calculated these two parts. Now it is time to write answer by removing slash. 126 left part, remove slash and write 873. 873. This is answer friends. 1,26,873. So let us write final answer here. 1,26,873. Third example, 5,748 multiplied by 9,999. Right? So let us calculate answer in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Calculate Ekanyunen of multiplicand. Subtract 1 from 5,748. 5,748 minus 1 is 5,747. Yes. Give a slash to separate left part and right part. How to calculate right part? Subtract these 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits from 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, see this is 4, okay. 9 minus 4, 5, and 9 minus 7, 2, right? See, let me write again. How did we calculate left part? We subtracted 1 from multiplicand and wrote answer in left part. How did we calculate right part? We subtracted these digits from 9. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 4 and 9 minus 7. See this, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 4, 5 and 9 minus 7. Right? So friends, we calculated these two parts. Let us write final answer by removing slash. 5, 7, 4, 7. Remove slash. Write 4, 2, 5, 2. Right? So this is final answer. Fourth example, 89,541 89,541 multiplied by 99,999. 9 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct? So calculating answer in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Left part is Ekanyunen of this multiplicand. Subtract 1 from 89,541. You get 89,540. You subtracted 1. Write a slash, give a slash to separate left part and right part. Correct? Now what is next step? Calculating right part. How to calculate right part? Subtract these 1 2 3 4 5 digits from 9. So 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 4 5, and 9 minus 0 9. So this is left part. 89,540 is left part and 10,459 is right part. So we calculated both of these parts. Now let us write answer. 89,540, remove slash and write 10,459. Okay, so this is answer. This is final answer. Why do I say final answer? This is also an answer, but this is not final answer. We have to write final answer by removing a slash. Okay. Now friends, let us understand type 2, where number of digits in multiplier are more. It means number of nines in multiplier are more. See friends, what is algorithm? Step number 1. Answer is written in two parts, right part and left part. Step number 2, what is left part? How to calculate left part? Ekanyunen, that means one less of multiplicand, that we did in the last type 1. Step number 3, to calculate right part. Now see, understand this properly. First, write excess number of nines and then subtract digits in the left part from 9 and write after excess number of nines. 5 multiplied by 999. See, number of digits in multiplier are more. Number of digits in multiplier are more. Multiplicand contains 1 digit and multiplier contains 3 digits. See, answer is calculated in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Ekanyunen of multiplicand. That means subtract 1 from multiplicand. In this case, subtract 1 from 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Draw a slash. Now see, what is right part? First write excess number of nines. First write excess number of nines and then subtract digits in left part from 9 and write after excess number of nines. Multiplier contains 3 nines. Multiplicand contain 1 digit. How many nines are excess? Count those excess number of nines from left to right. Understand? Count those excess number of nines from left to right. So tell me, how many excess number of nines are there? Two excess nines are there. See, there's only 1 digit in multiplicand and 3 nines in multiplier. So these 2 nines are excess. Right? So write these 2 nines here. Now subtract digits at left part from 9. So subtract 4 from 9. So 9 minus 4, 5. So the answer is remove slash and write 4995. Correct? Let us solve sufficient number of examples. Let us practice these 4 examples by using the algorithm of type 2. So the first example is 6 multiplied by 99. 6 multiplied by 99. We will write answer, we will calculate answer in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Ekanyunen of multiplicand. What is multiplicand? 6. So subtract 1 from the 6, you will get 5. Write 5 and draw a slash to separate left part and right part. Okay. Now what is next step? First of all, count excess number of 9s in multiplier. See, there are 2 9s in multiplier and there is only one digit in multiplicand. So how many excess 9s are there in multiplier? There is only one 9 in excess, and count the number of 9s which are in excess from left to right. So there is only one excess 9 in multiplier. So write excess number of 9 in right part first. Now subtract digits in the left part from 9. How many digits are there in left part? There is only one digit. What is that digit? That is 5. So subtract 5 from 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Right? So we have calculated these two parts. Now it is time to write final answer by removing this slash. Write 5, remove slash, write 94. So the answer is 594. Second example, 38 multiplied by 999. 38 multiplied by 999, 3 9s. Right? We will write answer in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Left part is Ekanyunen of multiplicand. Ekanyunen of multiplicand 38. To calculate Ekanyunen, you subtract 1 from a given number. In this case 38. So 38 minus 1, 37. Write 37 as left part. 37 is left part now. What is right part? To calculate right part, first count the number of 9s in excess. There are 3 9s in multiplier, there are 2 digits in multiplicand. It means that there is one excess 9. One excess 9. And count this excess number of 9s from left to right. There is one 9 in excess, so we have marked it. Okay, and write this excess 9 as it is in right part. Okay, now next step is subtract the digits in left part from 9 and write after this 9. Okay, so 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 7, 2. That's all. See, we calculated left part first by subtracting 1 from given multiplicand. After that we calculated right part. To calculate right part, what we did? We counted the number of 9s which are in excess in the given multiplier. 2 digits in multiplicand and 3 digits means 3 9s in multiplier. It means that there is only one excess 9. So we wrote that excess 9 first, and after that we subtracted digits in the left part from 9 and wrote at the right side of this excess 9 that we wrote first. We have calculated these two parts, left part and right part. Now it is time to write answer by removing slash. Write 37, remove slash, write 962. 37,962 is an answer. Third example, 127 multiplied by 99,999. 127 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 99,999. 5 9s. So let us multiply. We will calculate answer in two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Ekanyunen of given multiplicand is left part. 127 minus 1 is equal to 126. 126 is left part. right slash to separate left part and right part. Now see, what is right part? How to calculate right part? First of all, count the number of 9s which are in excess. See, there are 3 digits in multiplicand and 5 digits in multiplier. 5 digits in multiplier means 5 9s in multiplier. It means that obviously there are 2 excess 9s. There are 2 9s in excess. 3 digits in multiplicand and 5 digits in multiplier. That means first 2 digits, first 2 9s are in excess. And always count number of excess digits or excess 9s from left to right. So there are 2 9s in excess and we marked it. Okay, so write marked 9s in the right part first, and after that what to write? Subtract these 3 digits of left part from 9 and write after these 2 digits. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 126 is left part and 99,873 is right part. So we have calculated the answer in 2 parts. So let us write final answer by removing slash. 1, 2, 6, remove slash, write 9, 9, 8, 7, 3. This is answer. Next example. 5, 7, 4, 8 and 9s. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 7, 4, 8. 5, 7, 4, 8 multiplied by 6 9s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 9,99,999 is multiplier and 5,748 is multiplicand. Let us write answer in 2 parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Subtract 1 from 5,748. 5,747. So we calculated left part. Now let us calculate right part. But first of all, let us count the number of 9s which are in excess. There are 4 digits in multiplicand and there are 6 digits in multiplier. That means there are 6 9s in multiplier. 4 digits in multiplicand and 6 digits in multiplier. It means that there are 2 digits in excess. That means there are 2 9s in excess. So we marked these 2 9s. Let us write this excess number of 9s in right part first, and after that subtract these 4 digits from 9 and write answer after these 2 9s. After these 2 9s means at the right side of these 2 9s. So 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. So we calculated 2 parts. Now let us remove slash and write final answer. 5,747. Remove slash and write 9,94,252. So this is answer. Type 3. Number of digits in multiplicand are more. Let us read algorithm. Step number 1 is write Ekanyunen, that means one less of multiplicand in left part. See friends, calculating Ekanyunen, that means one less of multiplicand, and writing the answer in left part is common step in all these 3 types. Now step number 2, count the number of 9s in multiplier and mark the same number of digits from right to left in left part. Step number 3, now subtract marked digits from 9 and write in right part. Now fourth step, important step, now subtract excess number of digits which are not marked from left part only and rewrite answer. See friends, You will understand it when we will solve examples. Okay, so let us solve these 4 examples. Example number 1, 76 multiplied by 9. 76 multiplied by 9. See, number of digits, number of 9 in multiplier is 1 only, and number of digits in multiplicand is 2, right? So step number 1, write Ekanyunen, that means one less of multiplicand in left part. Ekanyunen of multiplicand. What is multiplicand? 76 is multiplicand, right? So let us write Ekanyunen of this multiplicand. 76 minus 1, 75. 75. Now draw a vertical line to separate right part and left part. Yes. Now what is second step? Second step is count the number of 9s in multiplier and mark the same number of digits from right to left in left part. How many 9s are there in multiplier? There is only one 9. Okay, so count the same number of digits in the left part from right to left. There is only one 9 in the multiplier, so let us mark only one digit from right side. See, right to left, right to left. Correct? Now, what is third step? Now subtract marked digit from 9 and write in right part. See friends, now subtract marked digit from 9 and write in right part. So we have marked this one digit, right sided digit. So let us subtract this digit 5 from 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, now subtract excess number of digits which are not marked from left part only. See, now subtract excess number of digits which are not marked from left part only and rewrite answer. See, 75 in this 2 digits, which is unmarked digit, the digit which is not marked. This 7 is not marked digit. This 7 is unmarked digit. So let us subtract this 7 from left part. Okay, so 75 minus 7, how much? 68. 68. And write this 4 as it is. So friends, we have calculated left part and right part. So let us rewrite answer by removing this separation. 6, 8 and 4. Correct? So this is answer. Example number 2. 3878 multiplied by 99. 3878 multiplied by 99. Right? So first step is calculate Ekanyunen of multiplicand. That means subtract 1 from this multiplicand. 3878 minus 1 is 3877. We calculated Ekanyunen of multiplicand and wrote answer in left part. So let us draw a vertical line to separate. Yes. Now friends, what is second step? Count the number of 9s in multiplier and mark the same number of digits from right to left in left part. How many 9s are there? In multiplier, there are 2 9s. So mark 2 digits from right to left. So we have marked it from right to left. Now what is third step? Subtract marked digits from 9 and write it in right part. there are two marked digits. So let us subtract these two marked digits from 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Yes, we subtracted these two digits from 9 and wrote answer in right part. Now friends, what is fourth step? Now subtract excess number of digits which are not marked from left part only and rewrite answer. Now friends, we marked these two digits 7 and 7. Which are unmarked digits in left part? These two digits are unmarked. These two digits are not marked. 3 and 8 are those two digits. Now friends, let us subtract these two digits, this number 38 from left part only. What is left part? 3877. So subtract 38 from 3877. Subtract 38. How much? 17 minus 8, 9. 7 minus 4, 3. Write 8 as it is, write 3 as it is, and write this 22, right part, as it is. So friends, we have calculated these two parts, left part and right part. So let us rewrite answer by removing this separation, vertical line. Okay, so 3, 8, 3, 9 is left part, 2, 2 is right part. So 3,83,922 is answer. Third example, 51,927 multiplied by 999. 51,927 multiplied by 999. So first step is calculate Ekanyunen of this multiplicand. 51,927 minus 1 is 51,926. What we did? We subtracted 1 from a given multiplicand, right? And wrote answer in left part. Now let us calculate right part. Count the number of nines in multiplier. How many nines are there in multiplier in this example? There are 3 nines. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 nines. So mark 3 digits from right to left. First digit, second digit, and third digit. Mark these 3 digits from right to left. So next step is subtract these marked digits from 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Subtract these 3 marked digits from 9 and write answer in right part. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. Right? We subtracted these 3 digits from 9 and wrote answer in right part. Now next step is, which are unmarked digits? 5 and 1. Number 51 is unmarked. Subtract unmarked number, unmarked digits from left part only, from this part only. So 51,926 minus 51. Minus 51. Okay, so let us subtract 6 minus 1, 5. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. Write 1 and write 5 as it is. And write right part as it is. So we calculated these two parts, left part and right part. Now let us write answer by removing this separation line. 5, 1, 8, 7, 5. 51,875, and what is right part? 0, 7, 3. This is answer. Fourth example, 57 lakhs 41,328 multiplied by 999. So friends, what is multiplicand? 57 lakhs 41,328 is multiplicand. So the first step is calculate Ekanyunen of this given multiplicand. That means 57 lakhs 41,328 minus 1. 57 lakhs 41,327. See, we subtracted 1 from this multiplicand. Now, next step is count the number of nines in multiplier. How many nines are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 nines. So, mark 3 digits from right to left. Mark 3 digits from right to left in left part. Now subtract these 3 marked digits from 9 and write the answer in right part. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. And 9 minus 7, 2. This is right part. Correct? Now what is next step? Observe unmarked digits. Which are unmarked digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. The digits 5, 7, 4 and 1 are unmarked. Subtract these 4 digits, that means number 5741 from left part, means 57 lakhs 41,327. So let us subtract it. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So 5, 7, 4, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 12 minus 4, 8. 13 minus 8, 5. 11 minus 6, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. And write 7 and 5 as it is. Write 7 and write 5 as it is. So this is left part. Write right part as it is. Write 6, 7 and 2. We have calculated these two parts, left part and right part. 57 lakhs 35,586 is left part and 672 is right part. Okay, so let us write final answer by removing this separation line, vertical line. 57 lakhs 35,586 and right part 6, 7, 2. This is answer. Okay, this is answer.